I've realized that there is one skill that separates all of the professional traders that make money consistently from the amateurs that have a green day and then a red day and they can't ever find any consistency. This skill is so important that if you master it, it can completely change the trajectory of your trading. And I call this skill being selectively aggressive. It's the ability of knowing when to size up and when to be aggressive in your trading and when to sit on your hands and essentially do nothing. As traders, we don't need that many opportunities every single day to make money. All we need is one moment, one trade that can completely shift our day and make us a ton of money. And our goal is to wait for that one moment and to be aggressive and to seize the opportunity with size. And on the other hand, it's important to not over trade in all of the other moments where you're not seeing opportunities, you're not seeing your setups. And being selectively aggressive is hard because you obviously need to know the price action. You need to know what separates a high quality trade from a low quality trade. You need to know risk management. You need to know when to size up, when to size down. And of course, you need patience because you have to actually wait for that high quality opportunity to come to you and not over trade on like some low quality opportunities. Let me know if you agree in the comments, but if you can master this, you will be on your way to becoming a profitable trader.